Tired of your brilliant project being scattered across your hard drive like digital confetti? Let's wrangle that code and get it safely nestled into a GitHub repository. First, navigate to your project's root directory in your terminal now. Initialize a new Git repository by typing git init and pressing enter. This transforms your project folder into a Git playground. Next, stage your files for the initial commit. Use the command git add. This command adds all the files and directories within your project to be tracked. Make sure to include all your code, assets, and documentation. Time to commit your stage changes. Use the command git commit your commit message here. Replace your commit message here with a descriptive message summarizing your initial project state. This is your first snapshot. Now, hop over to GitHub and create a new, empty repository for your project. Give it a name and a description, and leave the initialize this repository with a readme option unchecked. Copy the remote repository URL provided by GitHub. It usually looks like git at github.com. Your repository. Back in your terminal, connect your local repository to the remote one using the command git remote at origin your _repository _URL, replacing your _repository _URL with the URL you copied. Finally, push your local repository to GitHub with git push origin main. This uploads your code to the cloud. Refresh your GitHub repository page, and there you have it. Your project is now safely stored, version controlled, and ready for collaboration. Now go build something amazing.